Welcome back to our Florida Suncoast Living Real Estate Channel. If buying or selling a home is one of your resolutions for 2025, then stick around. In just a few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 3 critical steps to set you up for success. Plus, after our pitiful property punchline, I'm going to share a free link to 5 property valuation tools to help you snag the best price on any property, whether you're buying or selling. But first, our pitiful property punchline, real estate joke of the day. Why did the house feel so cold? Because it left all the windows open for the current market. Now, let's dive into the good stuff. Here's how to make 2025 your most successful year in real estate. First, know your why. What's motivating you? Is it a growing family, a new job, or maybe you're just ready for a lifestyle upgrade? Share this with your real estate agent so they can help keep your goals front and center throughout the process. Second, know your needs. What's on your must-have list? How many bedrooms? Do you need a big backyard for the kids or maybe your pets? Be clear about the difference between needs and wants. Big difference. Make a list of both and go over it with your agent, that's me, to stay laser focused. When you start house hunting, it's going to really help. Third, know the numbers. What's your comfort zone for a monthly payment? And if you're selling, how much equity do you have? And how can you use it to your best advantage? Getting clear on your financial numbers now will help you plan smarter and avoid surprises later. If you have any questions about your unique situation, of course, I'd love to connect. Just reach out anytime. I can help you achieve your real estate goals this year. And of course, don't forget to grab that free link below, 5 property valuation tools. They're in the description below. These tools can help you make sure every single penny counts when buying or selling your dream home or investment property. So if you found this video helpful at all, please subscribe, like this video, and share it with people that you love, or maybe even somebody that you like just a little bit. See you next time on the beach or in the next video. Peace.